Okay guys, it's all over social media. We have the Boxycharm and Ipsy merge happening as of April 2023. If you want to know what's staying, what's going, what's new, I have all that information for you. And at the end of this video, I will be unboxing the Ipsy PR box that I get from them. This is their incubator program. Thank you again to Ipsy for gifting all of these for me. I'm so excited to see what's inside. So let's go ahead and get started. So it's happened. We have the Ipsy and Boxycharm merge. We see it all over social media. A lot of people are unboxing all the goodies that they got and seeing, what's new. But no one really is explaining like what has changed, what is different, what's going to happen to our boxes. So I'm going to get down to the basics. But first off, here's my Ipsy PR bag. So thankful for Ipsy for gifting this to me and making me a part of their PR incubator program. Every month, they are gifting me an Ipsy Glam bag. And then I think I'll be getting what they call the Glambag icon box, which is kind of like their equivalent to like the Glambag X. I'll have a screenshot here to just go over what's new. The Glam bag is still staying as Glam bag. So the base bag that is like around $14 is still going to be available at Ipsy. The Glam bag plus is now Boxycharm, which is the $25 or $30 a month subscription box from Boxycharm. That one with 5 full-size products. They're doing away with Glam bag plus. Instead, you're getting the Boxycharm box. The next thing is Glambag X. The one that you get quarterly is now called the Icon Box. They just pretty much renamed it, but it's all the same goodies as the Glambag X. I think it's 8 full-size products, and I believe I will be getting those quarterly as well. So thank you again, Ipsy. Thank you so much. The Boxycharm Premium Box is now Boxycharm Plus Beauty Boosts. And then the Boxycharm Luxe is now, of course, the Icon Box. So hopefully that clarifies everything just a little bit. I will have the website link to all of this information in my description box below so you can refer to it, because there are so many more answers to questions such as what if you only have Ipsy, what if you only have Boxycharm, what if you have both, how is it going to affect your billing. All of that information is in that link in the description box below. So I'm not going to explain all of those in detail because there's too many ifs, buts. So I'll just leave you guys to it. Now, the exciting part, the box from Ipsy. I am so excited for getting this. Okay, so what I got is basically the Glam bag, which stays. It's still part of the membership. That's the 5 deluxe size products for like $13 or $14 a month. So for April 2023, this is the bag. I love it. I love it. It has like a linen material and it says look good, do good. I love this brown tassel, and I'm gonna go through this really quick, guys. We have the Professional Purifying Foaming Cleanser. Okay, last month I got the full size one of the Benefits toner. So I'm so excited. I haven't even tried it, guys. I haven't even opened it up. But I love the packaging, this kind of yellow bumblebee looking packaging. Love it. This one is a deluxe size, which is pretty big. Great trial size. What a great way to try the skincare line from Benefit, right? The Professional. And then we have 2 of these mini sponge set by Farah. Okay. Feels really squishy. I'm not going to open it because I actually have a set of 5 that I just opened. Also from Ipsy. We have the New Q Culture Moisturizer. And then I have a full-size gel eyeliner from Shades and Shan. Shades and Shan is actually a brand from San Francisco. Great, like brand new brand. And I've only tried their setting spray and it's amazing. I love the spray. It's like a very light wash on the face. It's one of my favorite sprays. I go to it all the time, sometimes even more than Urban Decay. But don't tell Urban Decay that, okay? And then the last item that I got is the I Am Beautiful mascara. So I'm not gonna open that. I have tons of mascara. I might put this in a giveaway. Okay, so that is the Glam bag. I think it's a great deal. I mean, for $14, you've got the bag. You have all these deluxe sizes, one full-size item, the eyeliner. I think it's amazing. The next one is what we call the BoxyCharm box. I believe moving forward, it's always gonna be packaged in this Ipsy box. So it's not gonna be in the black BoxyCharm package because it is still BoxyCharm by Ipsy. There's my creator incubator card. It says, we hope you love the products this month. And the theme is anything is possible. Anything is possible. I love that theme. So many changes right now, and I honestly believe that anything is possible. Don't let anyone stop you from fulfilling your dreams, whatever you want to do, even when they say it seems impossible. Seasonal routines right now that's hot for spring is big blush energies. Really popping blush, which I need to, add more blush to my makeup. It's the end of the day, guys. It's the end of the day, and I'm just fitting this in so that you can get all the good information. You can get the tea about the BoxyCharm and Ipsy merge. All right. This is what I'm always excited about because the BoxyCharm base box, or now BoxyCharm by Ipsy, is 5 full-size items. Let's start with the Red Remedy Toner Color Food Series. I love the packaging, like red and yellow. It's really eye-catching. Full-size toner, vegan. So it's a vegan toner. I think I really want to try this, but I kind of want to put it in a giveaway too. By the way, Ipsy was so gracious enough to give me a gift prior to all of this merge because they knew that the products were going to arrive a little bit later than usual. They gave me the Better Than Sex Chocolate Too Faced palette. This is the box, okay? And then there's the color story. The palette, unfortunately, came with 3 shades broken, like the shimmer shades, and they're amazing. Like, I just tried it on my hand and tried it on my eyes. They're so pigmented, so beautiful. Like, the colors were meant for me, Next one is the Liz Beauty No Limits Cream Bronzer. I already have a cream bronzer, so I don't think I'm gonna keep this, but oh my gosh, the packaging is amazing. Oh, you don't even know how much I want to swatch this right now. It's beautiful, and it looks like it can be my color. It's kind of chipped at the end, but who cares, right? Oh yeah, it's right there. Oops. Origins Into the Glow Brightening Serum. I love Origins. I'm definitely gonna keep this. And the packaging, oh my gosh. I think this is a vitamin C serum because look at that. Look at that ombre orange right there. So beautiful. And then Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Heat in Lemon Lava. I'm not the biggest lip gloss girl, but I do love to put it on once in a while. This is so pretty. I saved the best for last. When I was looking at other PR boxes, they did not have this. Actually, mine is slightly different. There's like 2 sets, and I wanted this set of PR, and thank goodness they sent this to me. The Natasha Denona, oops, what is this? The Natasha Denona Alloy Palette. Oh my gosh, it looks like a neutral palette, but it's gorgeous. Oh, it is beautiful. It has that warm shimmer shade. It has the cool tone shimmer shade. Wow. This PR box is amazing. I'm so excited that I got this. I'm so excited for the Ipsy BoxyCharm merge. Congratulations to that. I hope you guys are too. And yeah, till next time, guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Comment down below if you have any other questions about the merge. I'll try to answer them for you. Definitely check out the link in my description box. So with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye!